Balakrishnan. I am the director of Sri Adya Junior College. Recently, we launched our college in Mathrusri Nagar, Miyapur. Today, I would like to discuss about the situation, how it is in the intermediate level. After the completion of our 10th class, generally we look for intermediate colleges. In intermediate colleges, how the education will be and how it should be. That is very, very important for any student. Okay, let me discuss about some factors that what we need to see in intermediate colleges. Okay, there are, the first thing is education, how it is. Education is very, very important, right? So, in that education, nowadays the situation has changed. They are teaching question to answer point of view. That is, in the exam point of view, they are teaching. But that is not the correct way, right? So, in that, I would like to explain about the education with our facilities. Okay. So, to give the better education to each and every student, there should be some facilities in the college. In that, the first thing is we should have the limited class strength. That is very, very important. Limited class strength. The second thing is faculty. Faculty. The third thing is here review hours. Review hours. The fourth thing is here smart boards, or we can say that this one projector boards also. Okay. See that first one, limited class strength. Yes, this is nowadays the situation plays a very important role. When we have the strength like 40, 50, 60, 70, each and every student cannot understand the concept. That's why when we have the strength like 30 to 40 members in a class, each and every student can understand the subject and faculty also can teach the subject effectively. So that's why in our college we are going for limited class strength, which is having 30 to 40. That is the thing. Now coming to the next one, faculty. Faculty plays a very important role, right? For any organization, faculty is the backbone for any organization. That is very, very important. But nowadays, faculty, they are not getting the time to give the subject to each and every student because there will be some schedule. They have to teach the subject in the schedule wise. That's it. Whether the students are understanding or not, that is not the matter. They should teach the subject and they should go. But that is not the correct point of view. Our ultimate aim is each and every student should understand the concept that what they teach in the class. So that's why here we have taken the faculties based on the three things. The one is subject, whether they are having the subject or not. Based on that, we will take the faculty. The second thing is communication skills, whether they are having the communication skills or not. So based on that, we are taking the faculty. The third thing is faculty ownership. That is very, very important for us. So here the faculty ownership plays a very important role. I will explain that in the next factor. So that's why we have the excellent faculty in our college. Coming to this review hours. Generally in the corporate colleges, if you see that there will be two faculties. So one is senior faculty, another one is junior faculty. Senior faculty will teach the subject, junior faculty will get in touch with the students in the study hours. But if you see that if they have any doubts, students, if they have any doubts in a subject that in the morning topic that what they taught, that subject has to discuss with the senior faculty only because he only taught the subject. No, when they discuss with junior lecturer, he might discuss the same concept in the different way. So student can get the confusion. So that's why here in our college, this review hours plays a very important role. Instead of study hours, we are going for review hours. So whatever the topic, the faculty that what they taught in the morning period, the same faculty has to discuss the concepts in the review hour also. So that's why we are going for a review hour. In that, student can discuss with the faculty. In the morning session, one-way communication. Faculty will teach the concept. But whereas in the review hours, there will be mutual understanding. Mutual communication will be there. Student and faculty will interact in that particular review hours. That's why we are going for that. The next one, smart boards. Yes, of course, the smart boards plays a very important role in education system. When we explain any concept using the smart board, that visual impact will be there on each and every student. They can understand the concept in depth. So that's why we are going for a smart board facility in each and every classroom. This is about the education. That is very, very important. Coming to the next factor is personal care. Personal care is also very, very important. So to maintain this personal care for each and every student, here we have the system that is called as Proctor. Proctor system. Proctor system. What is the proctor here? Proctor is nothing but on-campus parent. On-campus parent is also one of the faculty that what we have in our college. So here the beauty of the faculty is here we allot 10 to 15 students to one particular faculty. He will take care of those 10 to 15 students in all the factors, whether they are learning the subject or not, whether they are coming regularly or not, whether they have any problems in academics and non-academics. The everything should discuss with the proctor only. That's why the proctor system plays a very important role. We have that system, personal care in that. Coming to the third one, this is very important, that is overall development. Whether we are having the overall development or not in regular colleges, that faculty that parent has to observe that. What is overall development? Yes, they are coming, they are learning, they are going, they are writing the exam, they are getting the marks, they are getting the job. Is that the correct way? That overall development is very important. So for that, here we are having different facilities. In that, the first one is career counseling. Career counseling. Yes, the next one is corporate visits. Corporate visits. The next one is here library. Library. The next one is here we can say that events. Events. The last but not least here indoor games and outdoor games. Yes. What is the work that we do in the career counseling sessions? So here we'll call some great personalities to our college. They'll come and they'll discuss about the situation, how it will be after the completion of their intermediate in their particular sector, whether they are related to commerce field or science field, whatever it may be. They'll come and they'll discuss about the situation. That should be here two-way communication. They don't come and they don't teach. They interact with each and every student. Then they can understand that. That is called career counseling session. Now coming to this corporate visits, these two are interrelated. In the career counseling sessions, we are inviting the persons to our college, whereas in the corporate visits, we will take our students to some institutions, some companies, some research centers to get the practical knowledge about it. This corporate visits plays a very important role to get the practical knowledge. This library is also required for the students, because when we see any course like MPC, Maths, Physics, Chemistry, not only the Maths, Physics, Chemistry, students they want some general knowledge also. Or if they want some information about their particular subject, how can they understand that? When they have the library period, they can go and they can have some time with the books. That's why they are going for library period. Coming to this events. Events also very important for students to enjoy their life in the college campus. So here we'll conduct the events for the festivals. That will be there. Coming to this indoor games and outdoor games. Okay. To give the clarity about the stress-free education in our college, we are going for indoor and outdoor games. That will be there once in a week. They can have some time with that. Okay. So these are the three facilities that every parent has to observe in all the colleges. If all the facilities are there in college, then I can say that that is the best college. Best college is completely depends on the student, that what they require in the intermediate. So coming to our courses here, we have MPC, BIPC, MEC and as well as CEC. Okay, MPC, BIPC, MEC, CEC. 4 courses are there in that. So in MPC we have 2 streams. So one is mains plus advanced and other one is mains plus MSET. Based on their students' interest, they can go for any one thing. Coming to this BIPC, we have the one and only option, that is NEET only, National Entrance Examination Test. So any student can write for that after completion of their BIPC. Coming to this MEC and the CEC, we have only the regular courses. And our college is completely AC campus with limited class length. Each and every class there will be one CC camera, so the personal focus will be there. So this is about our college, and if you have any queries regarding our college, you can contact with me. 9052000255 is my number. You can call me for any queries regarding this. Okay, thank you so much.